Hello kids, today we will draw this picture. A yacht and our baby. Baby's eyes is blinking. Oh, there is a sun. Firstly, we draw our little baby. Our little baby has 2 ears. Oh, the baby is looking ourselves. The sun is came in the yard. The sun is very shining. Let's draw the baby's ears. The color of our baby looks very beautiful. Our baby's picture is almost complete. Next, we try to draw the yellow color of the bottom of the baby's shirt. Our baby is clean. And you, my little friend? Now we are drawing the flag. The baby holds it in his yard. Oh, the sun is again came here. Now we try to give the shade of the flag color. The little baby is watching us. Now we are drawing the yard. Now we give the deep red color of the yard. We give the color to the water. The boat is floating in the water. Now we draw the main part of the boat. The boat is driving by the baby. We can give the shade of the main part of the boat. We choose the black color to give the shade of the boat. Our picture looks very beautiful. Now it is the time to give shade the face of our little baby. Oh, the sun is again came, and the sun looks very beautiful. Now we give the color the pole of the flag, which the little baby holds in his yard.